Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to cut out your irrelevant data using Microsoft Excel. So at this point I should have already downloaded my pod data importer, which is in the description below, and collected my data and gotten it off the SD card with the AQIQ pod. Right now I'm going to go ahead and click import pod data, and then just select my text file that I got from the SD card. Open that up. And as you can see, it automatically sorts it for you by what type it is via the titles above, as well as the time. Since I want my time to be in Mountain Standard, I'm just going to click this little box here and make sure it becomes crosshairs and just double click. And now all my Mountain Standard time has filled out. So to plot this, I'm going to simply click this C and make sure it becomes the down arrow. And then I'm going to hold down my control key and then click this I. Now that I have these two highlighted, I'm just going to press insert. And there's a lot of plots up here, but I highly recommend using a scatter line with smooth lines and markers. And now you can see my data, and I can see where it starts collecting and where it stops collecting. So if I open this up a little bit more, I can better see about what time I collected my samples, which is around 11:52. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete this graph, and then scroll down to where this says 11:52, which is about here. Now I'm just going to take all of this, highlight it, and then drag it up. And I'm not going to delete the title because I still want that. But right now I'm just going to right click, delete, and then I'm going to click Shift Cells Up. You might see your data completely disappear, but that's only because all the cells have shifted up and it's still here, so don't panic. Now simply, I'm going to click this title, MNT, my time still. I'm going to press Control, Shift, and down all at the same time, and this will highlight all of my data and not any other irrelevant points. Now I'm going to go over to my I column, hold down my Control key, and then go ahead and click this. Now I press Control, Shift, and then up to highlight all those data points. I'm going to go back to Insert and click a scatter with smooth lines and markers. And here we have all this nice data that doesn't have all that baseline data. And this is just so it looks a bit more professional and we have all the relevant points that we need to make a cleaner presentation. And up here you can change your colors, change the plot, change whatever you need to. It's much more customizable than Excel. And that's it. That's all you need to do to make a good, clean looking graph.